Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, boys and their toys. We got some more outdoor toys here. We have next thing we're going to be putting together is this Oakmont Gazebo. Alright, by Wilson Fisher Oakmont Small Space Gazebo. Alright, so this is going to be the next unboxing and putting together time lapse, so stand by. Thanks for joining me, and let's get to it. Alright guys, here's the box, everything how it's come all packed, just like everything. Have everything nicely packed it up. You got all your screws. They already give you the tools to put it together, but most likely you have your own tools, so you use those and the directions. So let's get to it. I'm gonna set up a time lapse on me putting this together. Again, if I see anything that causes a hiccup, I'll bring your attention to it, and that's that. So thanks for sticking with me. Please subscribe to the channel, and let's get this bad boy set up. Alright guys, I just want to bring to your attention, when you're setting up this gazebo, the directions are going to tell you what you need here. Alright, you're going to need a hammer, screwdriver, ladder, a drill, plus the tools they provided. They're also saying you're gonna need at least 2 people to help you with this thing. So I got my boys with me and plus my wife, so again, keep that in mind if you're picking this up. Alright, you may need 2 people to help you with this. So we'll see. We'll get it going and see how it turns out. Alright guys, getting about to get started here. Now the first step they asking you to do, and again, the directions are pretty straightforward. Alright, we're going to start with the big pieces here. Right now, up here I have the A, 2 A's, 2 B's, and 2 H's. And when you look at it, they're all properly tagged. Alright, looks like those white letterings right here are the tags, so they should all be tagged to indicate what goes with what. So right now I'm gonna start with the first set and just go along. I suggest you guys, when you put this together, to have something like what I have down. I have a large piece of cardboard down so I can spread everything out. I got all my screws out, because you're going to be going back and forth and grabbing those screws. So to have something that stands out so you don't lose any screws is ideal. Alright, so let's continue on with the installation. Alright guys, I got it all connected now. Just when you put it together, make sure this end is facing upward when you lay it down, and you also see little tabs right here, right over there. Make sure that's facing on that side, facing each other on each end, right here and right up there. So that's step 1 in putting this thing together. Let me continue on. And this is B, and that side is A. So A, B. And then you have the middle rod is the H. Alright guys, the next part, this is a 2-man job. You're gonna have to put the two ends together using section G. Alright, I'm about to do that now. Just waiting for wifey to show up to help me with this part. Alright. Alright guys, let me show you. As you can see in the time lapse, I ended up putting this thing up by myself. If you're a one-man job and you guys are trying to put a gazebo together, especially this one, it says for 2 people. If you own one of these things here, the jawhorse, I'm telling you, this is worth the money in gold. All right, this is your extra pair of hands. If you know, a DIY and you need an extra pair of hands, and dealing with extra pair of hands, you got to deal with this time schedule. Love my wife, but y'all know what I'm talking about. All right, doesn't matter. But anyway, get one of these things. It helped me put together the top railing. All right, and as you can see, all you have to do is hold one side up, take this part, put it in one end, and start on that end, and just start to get your screws in and just work your way along. All right, you're able to do this by yourself. All right, so definitely jawhorse, thumbs up. Look at my other video. I'll put a whole barn door on my house just with this by myself using this jawhorse. Ideal. But as you can see, this part is up now, so let me continue on with the time lapse. Alright guys, now I'm about to put the canopy up. So you're going to need a ladder, and now I'm going to have the second pair of hands or the canopy and bring it up. Alright, so I'm about to call wifey or call my son out here to help me out. Alright, so let's get that going. Alright guys, as you can see, I got it up. I just want to bring it to your attention. This part here is meant to have a little play, so when you line it, it's easy for you to do it, but it was kind of loose to my liking. So make sure you have an Allen wrench to get in here and just tighten it up just a little bit so it's not as much play. At least that's my opinion. Alright, so that's all I did. Tighten up a little bit so it not as much play, and then bolt it down. Alright, so let me continue on. Just want to bring that to your attention. Alright guys, I got the canopy, the first layer on. This is a 2-tier canopy. You have one also on top that I'm about to install. This is just held up with tension from here to here. You just got to stretch it on, and it gives you that tight fit. Alright, I'm about to do the second canopy, and it's going to be the same premise. That goes on top. Alright, so I already got it together. This part is C. I think C into E. Yeah, C into E. So 4 E's, 1 C. Click it in, and then I'm going to put the top tier canopy on top of this one. Alright, so let me continue on and getting that done. Alright guys, it's finally put together. As you can see, it's a 2-tier canopy, almost like a grill station if you wanted to use it as that. So everything's put together. It went well. It went together pretty easily. No issues, other than when I highlight it. Has a little hook up there to hang up a light. Pretty straightforward. Powder coated. So this is a closer look at it. Okay. Alright. Very easy to put. I think the only thing I wish they had with this, or I gotta look for something, I like to bring it up on a deck, but I'm not too keen with the foot. Alright, this is metal, and it's made to be on some type of grass to tie it down or permanently. It's not going to be permanently tied down to my deck, and I don't want it to scratch my deck, so I have to get some type of footing or something around there to protect the deck from getting scratched. So right now we're just going to keep it on the concrete right here. So I think that's the only issue I don't like about it. Other than that, it's okay. It's pretty good. Alright, so again, that's the how-to open boxing, how to put this thing together. So again, if this video is helpful, guys, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give me a thumbs down. And again, subscribe to the channel. Alright, next video, again, yard toys. I'm about to open this up. It's the Shadow Creek 7-piece all-weather wicker bar set. So again, just like the previous video, I'm going to do an open boxing. I do a step-by-step on how to put this thing together, show you any issues, and show you the product. Alright guys, see you on the next video. Alright, be good out there. Talk to you later. Peace.